case of my personal reason. But I would say, and I would like to share one important thing among you all. Just today, in fact, I was knowing the fact today in the morning, Professor Sharma told that he thanked NRFPR for not awarding us in the category A with full funding. So that is something very important remark given by the project director. We really should appreciate this, because had we had that been put in category A with 100 crore rupees, would be engaged in procuring the equipments only. But the fact that we have developed such kinds of resources, the human capacity building, that is enormous kind of thing that we have done. And hats off to our mentor, Professor Chandrasekhar Sharma, who has taken so much pain, and he has doing for the last 1 year in 7 such spoke institutions the very same kind of activities. So thank you everyone who have come here for your visit, next visit in this university. Thank you very much, sir. And thank you all the participants.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Professor Abhirya sir. Dr. Dhanpal sir. Dr. A.K. Sudhawar sir.
Appreciation. चलिए जो श्री पढ़ने अच्छा करते हैं लोग हैं कितना
Dr. A.K. sir. Professor Dharmendra